Welcome to Fireside Cocktails with Robbie. Happy Cinco de Mayo, or as I call it, Tequila Christmas. We're going to do something a little different today. We are going to do a pitcher for the occasion. This is a fun little pro hack at home, especially right now. I imagine everybody has a lot of empty recycling bottles. I'm not judging anybody, but you probably do. So use this as your pitcher and shaker tonight. This is going to be pretty cool. So this is a large form cocktail. This is going to be 5 normal restaurant portions in one vessel. So if you drink the whole thing yourself, that's on you. Otherwise, you and your significant other can enjoy one pitcher safely tonight. Let's start with 10 ounces of Blanco tequila. Use a funnel to get it into your pitcher so you don't lose any drops of this precious agave goodness. All right. Now you'll note this is just about half the bottle. That's the way most drinks should probably be, especially right now. Next, we're going to use 6 ounces of watermelon juice. For this, I simply blend watermelon cubes with a little bit of water, strain out the pulp, and it's yummy. Next, we're going to add 5 ounces of lime liquid, we'll call it. This is 3 ounces of lime juice and 2 ounces of water. The water is going to act as if we were shaking this cocktail with ice, which we're not going to do today. Okay. And then finally, we've got 3 ounces of blue curacao. If you don't have this at home, you could use orange liqueur, triple sec, Cointreau, whatever you've got. But tonight we're making electric blue watermelon margaritas. Okay, it's going to fill us right up to the brim. We're going to put our lid on. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And release that air. Electric blue watermelon margarita. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Happy drinking.